Hi, this is Elisa with WTI. So when I'm looking for a snack, especially a bar, I make sure to read my ingredients. And let me tell you what I found right here with these RX bars. I'm really enjoying this bar, Chocolate Sea Salt. It's so delicious and I love the fact that it has minimum ingredients. Once you open it, you're gonna see that you can actually see the cashews, the almonds, and the little pieces of salt that make it so delicious. I really enjoy these bars because I know I'm putting something good in my body. I love its texture and I love the fact that you can actually see the dark chocolate pieces as well. These are great for traveling or to bring on the go. RX Bar has a variety of flavors that they all have very high quality ingredients and they are delicious, and that is my point of view.